Multitasking is multi-toxic. Today's reflection is about a modern disease, something so many of us are proud of, but that quietly poisons our focus, our productivity, and even our happiness. The topic is multitasking is multi-toxic. We live in a world where multitasking is celebrated. People brag about juggling emails, phone calls, meetings, and personal tasks all at once, as if it were a badge of honor. But behind this illusion of efficiency lies a deep psychological trap. The truth is, multitasking does not make us superhuman. It makes us super stressed, super distracted, and ultimately less effective. In the end, we pay a much higher price than what we think we're gaining. At first glance, multitasking feels exciting. It gives us a rush, the illusion of speed, as though we are conquering more in less time. But science and experience tell another story. When we split our attention, our brain does not actually perform two tasks simultaneously. Instead, it rapidly switches between tasks, wasting energy each time. The result is shallow focus, half-done work, and exhaustion that feels heavier than it should. Imagine trying to roast a chicken, brew a cup of coffee, and make a soup in the same pan. The flavors collide, the timing fails, and the whole meal is ruined. That is the essence of divided attention, a mess disguised as mastery. The cost of constant switching is real and measurable. Time that feels like progress often turns out to be time stolen from deep work. Hours of frenetic activity produce results that are scattered and incomplete. You may work many hours, yet achieve very little of lasting value. The illusion of doing more becomes the reality of doing less, and the exhaustion that follows is the price paid for this illusion. Remember the hare and the tortoise story. The hare burned with quick bursts, then stumbled from distraction. The steady tortoise moved with calm concentration and reached the finish with certainty. The disciplined mind that focuses steadily will always outpace the mind that chases many things at once. The mind also pays a steep price. Divided attention scatters memory, dulls creativity, and weakens problem solving. When we force the mind to move in many directions at once, it cannot dwell long enough to connect ideas or produce deep insight. Over time, the habit of constant switching even reshapes the mind, making it harder to summon calm focus when it is most needed. In short, multitasking makes us mentally tired, and it steals the most precious instrument we possess, our capacity to think clearly. And it does not end there. Emotional balance is also shaken. Many mood swings arise from scattered attention and unresolved mental noise. When the mind is stretched in too many directions, patience thins and irritability grows. Work-life balance phrase. Loved ones feel unseen, conversations turn shallow, and distance creeps in where warmth once lived. That is the heaviest price of all, losing closeness while still believing we are being productive. Those addicted to constant distraction often appear weary and quick to anger. Their tolerance wears thin, and small frustrations ignite into large reactions. This is not merely a flaw of temperament. It is the symptom of an overdrawn mind, robbed of rest and robbed of focused attention. Relationships suffer in silence. Attention is the currency of love, and when it is divided, connection is diminished. Think of a conversation where one person nods while their gaze drifts to a screen. Did you feel heard? Did you feel valued? Multitasking steals presence, and with presence goes the depth of relationship. Families grow distant. Friendships become transactional. Small rituals that bind us, a meal shared, a story told, a hand held, lose their power when attention is habitually elsewhere. Our ancestors lived differently. They worked with hands that completed one task at a time. They ate with attention, prayed with devotion, and crafted with calm. Presence was the rhythm of daily life. In this age of distraction, that rhythm is broken. Anxiety thrives in the fragmented mind, while peace arrives only when attention is offered fully to the moment. The practice of presence heals the soul in ways that busyness never can. But there is a way out, and it is neither mystical nor harsh. It is practical, gradual, and entirely within your reach. Replace the disorder of fragmented attention with the order of scheduled tasking. Begin by choosing a part of your day, perhaps the morning, and dedicate it to doing one thing at a time. Even for half an hour, give a single task your whole attention. Protect that time. Turn off notifications. Close extra tabs. Put away the phone. Guard your focus as you would guard a rare treasure. As this practice becomes easier, extend it naturally. Half an hour may grow into an hour, then into more. You will find that sustained concentration multiplies results and restores energy rather than depleting it. It also helps to write your tasks down and assign them proper time. Audit your day every day. Write what you have to do in the morning and in the evening. Check and note what you have actually done. Honor the schedule you create. Order will begin to replace chaos. Calm will begin to replace stress. And in the small acts of daily life, practice presence. When you eat, just eat. When you listen, just listen. When you work, just work. These simple, faithful habits, repeated day by day, will transform scattered disorder into productive order. Where attention goes, energy flows. When attention is ordered, results follow. This is not theory. It is a law of life, proven by those who have learned to bend their mind with discipline and care. So remember this reflection, my friends. Multitasking is multi-toxic. Do not wear it as a badge of pride. Let it not define your worth. Instead, cultivate the higher virtue of focused presence. Replace frantic busyness with scheduled tasking. Replace scattered energy with ordered effort. In that change, you will recover your time, your peace, and your relationships. Thank you, wisdom seekers, for sharing this moment with me. If this reflection has added value to your journey, share it with others who seek the same clarity. Live it, practice it, and watch how your life aligns with purpose and peace. Stay focused, stay present, and above all, keep seeking wisdom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wisdom on living with clarity and balance.